Hello everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome to 1213 Prescott Way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when we post another video. A video. How you guys doing today? Today is Tuesday and I have a penny pizza pasta. Okay. I have a penny pasta pizza that I made at home this morning before I came to work. I used a tortilla. You can make it on as you know, you could use a pizza dough. I came out here in the snowy weather, as you can see. I don't know if you could tell, but it is snowing in this building. See the snow flurries? Not enough for it to stick, but it is snow nonetheless. Put you guys back. And I have some grapes as well. I brought some grapes. I ate some while I was at work with some pistachios this morning. Then I have a cup of water. So I wanted to come out in my car and just do this mukbang while I ate my lunch, because I was like, okay, I wanted to see the snow. You can see it blowing on this side. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's hitting the windshield. It's kind of hard to tell because it's coming towards me. So I am going to turn the camera around. I'll be right back. So that is the view that I see out of my windshield, the front windshield. You can see the snow just blowing away. You can, especially when we roll the window down. You can see it on that side. Nice and clear, some's blowing inside here. But anyway, let's get to it. All right, so they say it should stop by the time, this afternoon, which it is already afternoon. So I don't see it stopping. So let me do a thumbnail. And it has, like I said, penny pasta. Next time I try it, which will probably be a month from now or so, I'll try it with the pesto, which is my favorite. But I didn't have any, so it's good. So just a piece of this should be really filling, you know? And the noise in the background is my heat. I had to turn it on because it is cold out here. But I just wanted to warm up the car. And then I'll turn it off. It's good. The key is having the delicious penny pasta. You know, you have to make that very flavorful, because that's where you get all your taste from. And you guys ever had pasta pizza? It's really good, especially when I have leftover pasta. You have to get creative, so you're not having the same thing over and over. You know what? I feel the car moving because of the wind. I remember the wind started up yesterday on my way to work because I was driving, and you know how you feel resistance. So I'm like, oh my gosh. On the freeway, I can feel it pushing me, like side to side. There have been so many recalls. They're just so numerous that can't keep up. But the latest one is from Psalm Partners of Denmark, Wisconsin. They issued a recall for just over 133,039 pounds of turkey kielbasa that may be contaminated with bone fragments. This the ready-to-eat kielbasa is sold as Parkview Turkey Pulsa Kielbasa. It's packed in vacuum-sealed 13-ounce packages printed with the establishment number of P-32009. And used by date of April 24, 2024 or April 27, 2024. And it says the products were shipped to retailers nationwide according to the FSIS. And Psalm Partners was made aware of the issue after consumers complained of finding bone fragments in the sausage. And additional complaints were reported to the FSIS. One of the consumers suffered a minor oral injury. And so anyone who's purchased it, of course, throw it away or you can return it. And those with additional questions can contact the CEO of Psalm Partners at 920-863-5559, extension 1346. So there you have it. That's my latest recall. So like I say, just be careful of what you're consuming, you know, and the products that you purchase and the stores that you get them from as well. I don't know, it's hard to know if you have contaminated food or not unless you eat it, so. Take a bite. Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. Pasta is so delicious. Then after it cooked, I sprinkled some fresh basil on it. The good thing about the snow is that it is melting when it hits the ground. So it's just turning into water. I haven't had to drive in it. And hopefully I won't. Knock on wood. I was told that the schools were closed today. And then tomorrow and Thursday, it's supposed to be nice. The temperature goes back up to the 50s. And then Friday through the weekend, it's supposed to snow again. So hopefully I'll miss the snow. But if it starts off snowing, you know, when I have to leave for work, I will not be going to work. Like I said, if you guys haven't tried this, try it. And if you just want to taste a hint of crust, use the tortilla like I did, because I think the pasta has enough bulk in, you know, by itself will allow the carbs. So I would recommend the thin crust, because I normally like thick crust pizza, but that's for regular pizza, you know, it doesn't have like pasta or whatever, it's just the vegetables and everything on it. I'm getting full. I think I'll just eat another bite. yesterday when I got home to Branson, it started snowing. It was like just like this, but not as much. But it still wasn't sticking. And I went to Hardee's, got me a vanilla shake. And now you crave it. When you crave something, you have to have it. I ate about a third of it. What do you guys think? And it was delicious and hit the spot. Text my son, checking on him, because he's in Texas. But they more specified Western Texas. He's more southern. But still, you know, we've never experienced this, weather like this, and not me as an adult. As a child, we lived in Kansas and Texas and New Jersey. I'm thinking about all the cold areas. I think that's pretty good now. It's nice and warm in here. But my children, you know, they've lived in Las Vegas, Northern California as babies, but no severe weather. Not used to thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings and hurricane and floods, although it flooded in Sacramento when I used to live there when I was a teenager. It rained 3 weeks straight. 3, count them, 1, 2, 3. And so houses were sliding off the mountains and stuff. Excuse me. And then when I got out of school, when I was 22, I moved to Vegas, back to Vegas. I had to get away from all that rain. Gosh, it rained and rained and rained. And I eat some of my grapes, maybe just a few of them, just to say I did that. Delicious, nice and sweet. It's funny, I like grapes, but I don't like grape juice. You know, I haven't never tried fresh grape juice, but I don't like the manufactured grape juice. I love apples, but I don't like the manufactured apple juice. I can drink the manufactured orange juice, but I love to make it myself, which I do that. I'm gonna have to try the others. It's getting chilly willy in here now. That's also delicious. So you guys, that was delicious. I think you should try it. If you'd like to try it, just check out my video that I made, my shorts video. It has the recipe on there. And give it a thumbs up and like it and subscribe if you haven't. Hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when we post another video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, and night. And I will see you on the next video. Love you. Peace.